Yo guys, what is up? We are out here at the Jetty, guys. Let's see if we can get on some fish. Luke's with us.
What's up, guys?
My brother Rigo. Rigo! Yeah guys, hopefully we can get on. We get all set up right now. We have some live mullet. Let's go out there and let's see what happens. Should be a chill day. It's the only day we're fishing out here. I came for the day only. So, wish us luck. Later.
Later, guys.
Got it, Luke? Luke? Got it? Gotta make it juicy, dog. Come on, baby. All we do is pray. Rigo's my other one. Luke's rigging up another one. You got it, Luke? Here, here.
Got fish.
Huh?
Got fish.
Let's go. Put it on. Huh? He's on one? Oh, yeah. Come on, Luke. Right in the middle, make sure you're right in the middle. Right there. Perfect. Put it through. Perfect. Let's go. Put it in the water before it dies. But got a little Carolina rig set up for Luke. Skipjack. I got a little right there. Here.
After the small hit, hours had passed and it started to get really slow, so we decided to move further down.
So we're gonna move spots further down. Check it out a little further down the jetty, guys, and hopefully find some luck. Come on, baby.
Good thing we decided to move because in a matter of about 5 minutes after moving, I get a big hit.
Come on. There you go. I think so. Yeah, he's fighting. Look, he's pulling. Hurry, he's getting close. Rio, get the net. Right here. Or can you get it or no? It's right there. See the string? String's going high. There it is. Come on. Right there we go. You got it? Hell yeah, baby. Woo! I get it. Just stay right there, Luke. Hell yeah. So.
There you go. We still have shit over there, wait.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
Record, you recording? You baby!
Did you record the whole thing?
Yeah, I'm still recording, I think. That was a live mullet, way.
Oh, great.
Yeah, that was a big one too.
Who did
All right, let's get down. I can measure it. Let's measure this baby. Hold right here, Luke. 36. Hold right here. Tip. You got it? The tip. Tip of the nose. Got it? Yeah. 36. Hell yeah. Well, guys, that was a decent little fight. What do you think? Decent little fight. Good. 36 inch red. We're gonna go ahead and keep it. But yeah. Here we go. Check it out. There it is right there. So let's see. Hopefully we can get on some more. Some slots maybe. And the Regal's out there too. Luke's using my rod right now. And yeah, guys, we'll see what's up. Catch you on a little bit. Later. You on something or no? Huh? Keep it high. Keep it high. It's not pulling. No, it's loose. Oh, you popped it, way.
How did I pop it?
Look, pop. I don't know.
It was
Sorry.
like, I put it in.
Then something was on with him. He was on something, I guess. It hit or what? It went down?
It was like,
Huh?
it was like that.
Alright guys, that is it. Getting hot. Nobody's catching no more. Gonna wrap it up. Pick everything up and head off, guys. If you haven't already, guys, hit that subscribe. Like the video. Catch you on the next one. Peace.